As soon as you strap in, as soon as you're taxiing out onto the runway and you're sort of sat there waiting for the go-ahead before you take off, so you start your takeoff, and it does kind of, you do get a little bit overwhelmed that you're in the back of a Red Arrow.
For me, since I was a small boy, I've watched the Red Arrows, I've been inspired by what they do, and it's one of the reasons I actually joined the Air Force. So once I was in and I managed to become a fighter pilot, I always kept one eye on any opportunity to join.
When we flew over, because we got to do a little low fly pass as we arrived at about 1,000 feet, and we just saw all the islands and the gorgeous sunshiny weather as well. It just looked beautiful.
The weather's great, the people are lovely. For professionally working with the air traffic controllers coming in and meeting the Croatian display team, everyone is just fantastic. They're so welcoming, and we absolutely love coming here.